Hello all, a small tip with small onions for cold and cough. I have taken small onions or shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can take the big onion also. Crush it well and add as usual 2 spoons of honey. The honey should be very pure, that is very important, and mix it well. Keep it aside for 1 hour or even overnight you can keep, and keep it closed. After few hours you will get a thin honey syrup. You can use that syrup as a cough syrup. If you give it in the morning and in the night, it really works for me and my kids. Do try and let me know how it is working for you. Thank you.